Hello, 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 and welcome to the Divine Soul Shop, where we explore, engage, and expand our spiritual knowledge. I have been talking about spiritual energy centers, aka chakras, and I have a chart here. If you just don't know where to start, how to engage, you want you want to kind of do this more personally. You don't want to talk to anybody about it, I guess. Go ahead, pick up one of these charts here. It has nourishments for each chakra, as herbs and spices, what glands it takes care of, the essential oils that will help invigorate your chakras and make you feel better, the stones that you should use for each chakra. It's just a really good guide. And on the back, it has when your chakras are imbalanced or when they're in line, and just some meditations on how to heal them right here for you. You can do this personal in your own home, and we have them at www.thedivinesoulshop.com. Come check us out.